we have the mini brand, and now we just need to get the tape off it. Get the tape. This is so hard. I need scissors. Mini brand. Okay, let's get this one. Okay, do that and with that one. One box. Okay, peel. Okay, finished. We have this guy. And this person from Toy Story, Jessie. This one. Okay, we have the checklist. Let's get the checklist out. Let's see if I got any weird ones. Did I get one? None of the weird ones. Okay, let's see. We have Jessie. Oh, we have her too. And now we just have 2 more balls left to open. Okay, we have 3 more balls left, but this one is not a free ball. Okay. This one's hard. Okay. We got Batman. Last ball. I hope I get something girly. Okay, let's see. And him. And okay, that was our video today. Bye, guys.